Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Virus. I am Subham Keshri. In this session, we will learn about forms and HTML controls. HTML provides facility to create forms which are considered as primary element of the web page. HTML forms are used to input user data for purchase or sign up for services and so on. The controls are the basic parts of an HTML form. The user can fill the form by entering data in the text boxes, click on radio buttons and check boxes. Forms will have a submit button to send data through servers to an action URL. Creating an HTML form. An HTML form is a web page that contains forms element. Basic HTML form will have three important parts. The form tag, which includes the URL of the script needed to process the form. The form elements, which are similar to the text field. And the submit button, which sends the data on server. All the input elements should be enclosed within opening form and closing form tag. HTML forms control. There are different types of form control in HTML. First one is text input control, then checkbox, third one is radio button, fourth one is select box, fifth one is file upload box, and sixth one is button control. In this session, we will learn about text input control. There are three types of text input used on form. First one is single line text input control, second one is password input controls, and third one is multi-line text input controls. Now see, single line text input control. This controls is used for item that requires only one line of user input such as search boxes or name. They are created using HTML input tag. There are various types of attribute for input tag using single line text input control. First one is type. It indicates the type of input control, and for text input control it will set to text. Name, used to give a name to the control which is sent to the server to get the value. This can be used to provide an initial value inside the control. Size, it allows to specify the width of the text input controls and terms in terms of character. Max length, it allows to specify the maximum number of character and user can enter on text box. Now open your text editor. Right here HTML head, title, right here text input control, text input control, then close title tag. Now close head tag, open body tag and set bg color equals to cyan. Now open form tag and write first name, and then write input tag, write type equals to text for single line text input control, name equals to first name, then use br to change the line, last name, copy it from here and paste it, change it to last name. Now close form tag, close body tag and close HTML tag. Save it. Now run this form.html. Yes, here we have two text boxes for first name and last name. You can enter here any value, Shubham Kesri. See, now second type of text input control is password input control. This is also a single line text input, but it masks or hides the character as soon as an user entered it. They are also created using input tag, but type attribute is set to password. There are various type of attributes for input tag to create password field. First one is type. It indicates the type of input control, and for password input control it will set to password. Name, used to give a name to the control which is sent to the server to get the value. This can be used to provide an initial value inside the control. Size, it allows to specify the width of the password input control in terms of character. Max length, it allows to specify the maximum number of character and user can enter into text box. Now open your text editor and write here br and write password input, write type equals to password. You can also give your name equals to password. Okay, now save it and refresh this page. Now write here your first name, your last name, and type here any password. See, the password is not showing here because this password type is hiding the content entered inside password field. Okay, now the third type of text input control is multi-line text input control. This is used when an user is required to give details that may be longer than a single sentence. Multi-line input controls are created using HTML text area tag. It is a container tag. There are various types of attribute for text area tag. Name, it is used to give a name to the control which is sent to the server to set or get the value. Rows, it indicates number of rows of text area box. Columns, it indicates number of columns of text area box. Now open your text editor and write here br for line change and then write address. Write here text area, rows equals to 3 and calls equals to give 20. Now name equals to address. Save it or give here any value, enter address. Now close text area, save it and refresh it again. See, we have a text box having 4 row and 20 column. Now write here your first name, your last name, password, and here you can write more than one line. Remove it and write your address XYZ, city Delhi, India, and any pin code. Okay. Friends, in this session we saw text input control. In upcoming session we will see more about this form input control. Okay, thank you.